3-year-old West Indies enter test match number 3 of 3 against New Zealand with a twofold mission. First of all, having spectacularly drawn the first test, they were back to normal, losing the second test in under 3 days. So they will be looking for another swing of the pendulum by finding a way to square the series. And in doing that, they would have presented Coach Darren Sammy with his long-awaited first test match win as all-format coach. And for sure, the batters will have to do a better job of supporting the bowlers. They will have to stand up and bat like how them stand up and bat in the second innings of that first test match for the West Indies to have a chance of winning. That is called a framework of optimism. Now we are faced with a framework of reality where we have absolutely no idea which West Indies will turn up or what they will or will not do. Question, do you?